Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm going to ask you some questions, then answer me. Okay,
Okay,
let's just play this while your other two friends will also come. Okay. So the first question is, what is your favorite subject?
Maths and science, ma'am.
Okay. And what insect are you scared of?
More, ma'am.
No one.
Spider.
Spider. Only spider. You're not scared of lion.
Ma'am, that is animal. This is insect.
Yes. Okay. So how many states of India have you visited?
I have visited only my state. I'm only
You visited all the place in India.
No, ma'am. Only in my state. Only
Only your state. So no, I'm asking how many states?
Only Andhra Pradesh.
Only Andhra Pradesh.
I am in Andhra Pradesh, ma'am.
Okay, so my favorite subject is science, and what insect? I'm not scared of any insects. And how many states I have visited? I have visited 1, 2, 3.
What are the states, ma'am?
What are the states? Okay, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and this only,
Haryana. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so Elisa is also here. Hello, Elisa. Hello, ma'am. Okay, how are you today? I'm great. Okay, so we are just discussing. It's like we are just asking some normal questions. I was asking to Rana. Let's go with you also. Okay, tell me, what is your favorite subject? Wait, Rana, what are you asking? I'll ask this question. Go with the raise hand. I want both of you to answer. What did you see in the video? Okay, let's. Rana was first.
Ma'am, first
Okay.
there is some devils in the area.
Yes. Okay.
After like this, like dance, they did, ma'am.
Okay.
And the devils go to bus and are roaming here and there, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Let's just hear Alicia's story also. Yes, Alicia. What did you observe?
There were two skeletons, and the other skeleton wants to go in the bus. The other skeleton doesn't want to go on the bus.
Okay. Good.
He pulled the other skeleton in the bus.
Yes. Good. So this story was like, let's take one was as a good skeleton and the other one is a bad. Other one wants to wants to hurt the passengers that are in the bus, and one doesn't want that. So the bad one pick the good one and make himself with him so that they both can fear the passengers. Okay, so can you tell me who were the characters? Who were the characters? Go with the raise hand. Yeah, you can call it ghost. Let's just don't call it a skeleton because they have a cloth. So we just call it as a ghost. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ghost.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Do you know what they were talking?
I can't hear, ma'am, that. I didn't hear that.
We have already.
I did not hear that,
Yeah,
ma'am.
they were fighting to let's just do not enter or let's just enter. Yes, Anna?
Ma'am, which questions are you asking? I did not hear that all, ma'am.
Okay, I was asking, do you know what they were talking? The ghost, what they were talking?
The boys in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Yes, Rana. Are you able to hear the voice
Yes, ma'am.
with
No,
my
okay.
headphones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Last
So let's just.
The girls in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The bus go round and round, round and round, all day long.
Was good. Okay, let's just. That was funny, yes. Okay. So, okay. Were the ghosts doing the same thing that you and me thought they were doing?
dancing.
Yes. Okay, let's go, Rana. Yes, Rana.
They are dancing with a song. And which there is a red color face like ghost, no ma'am.
Yes,
He
yes,
was
yes.
dancing like this.
Yes. Good. Yes, Eliza?
Ma'am, with the ghost was it was so funny.
That was so funny. Okay, we are thinking that they may be fighting for the seat, or they may be like a good one, don't go inside. But nothing was there. They were seeing the wheels on the bus go round and round and round. They are only seeing this, and that's why they are dancing for that. Okay. Initially, it looked like the ghosts were fighting with each other, but actually they were singing a song. Well, we cannot determine things by expressions, right? We cannot determine the things. When we hear, then only we can determine the things. Okay, so we need to hear the sound. Now, sound is important because it can help us to determine what we see. Sound is all around us, all the time. Sometimes we ignore it, sometimes we cherish it. Yes, name me.
Piano, guitar, drum, and what we call veena.
Okay, good. Now, yeah. So the last one is a sitar. Yeah. So now on the right hand side, there are the 4 different music tracks that you have to listen to. Drag it to the next to the instrument that belongs to it. You have 2 minutes to do this. Do it quickly. Let me repeat this so that you can not. You will get enough time. You have to listen each and every sound and then drag it and put it in front of that instrument. Again, when the 2 seconds are left, I'll change the slide.
Yes.
Oh, Rana is so excited. It's like all the answers are correct. Okay, you both did it. Okay, so help me quickly. Rana, just tell me what will the first piano music 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, I did not see the numbers. I listen, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So let's just go ahead. Wait, now. So tell me, Eliza and Rana. Yeah, Eliza. Yes, Eliza.
What, ma'am?
You are saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have you got any problem in that putting the voice of the particular instrument? You got any problem in that? No? Okay. So, okay, again we will do the same thing. We will go to the scratch, we will sign in and we will create. Let's do this. Okay, when you are done, just come to the Lido PC and give me the raise hand so I can get you done it. Go.
Doubt.
Yes, Rana, you have a doubt?
Ma'am, why we are using only scratch?
Because you are at the lower standard. First, you are in the 4th and 5th level now. So first you will go to scratch. You will learn all the things that are present in scratch. Then you go to another thing that is on Repel for the higher standards. And then again, Python Java. Okay?
I listened about one website named code.organization, ma'am.
Code.org is like below of your level. You are above of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So just go with this thing. Create. Okay. Go to the create.